Good morning. Let's start. All of you turn to page number 55. There you can see a picture of special pots for water. Do you have some special pots for water at your place? Look, water is being filled in this beautiful copper pot. The shining yellow pot of brass is seen in the other picture. Many stone carvings are also made near the place of drinking water. How much design way it is. Have you ever seen any beautiful buildings near the place of water? Think over it. In 1986, there was no rain in Jodhpur and the surrounding areas. People remembered the old and forgotten stepwell. They cleaned the stepwell and more than 200 trucks of garbage was taken out of it. People of the area collected money. The thirsty town got water from the stepwell. After a few years, it rained well and again the stepwell was forgotten. See, whenever we are facing trouble, then only we are remembering all these things. But we need to understand what is very important. We have to harvest it. Just money cannot do all these things. We have to get aware we should not waste water. Let us see the different ways in which people manage water today. In page number 57, you can see how the people manage water today all over the world. In the first picture, in big cities, the people getting water from the gel-board water tanker. Gel-board water tanker comes to their place twice in a day. They need to stand in a long queue to get water from the tanker. Sometimes people at times have fight over water. Second picture shows some people fill water from the well. The nearby well dry up. They need to go far to reach other well. They are not allowed to take water from some of the wells because of their caste. Third picture shows some people get water at home but only for half an hour. They fill this in the tank to use all day. Sometimes the water becomes dirty. Some people get water from their taps all day long. There is no break. On the next picture, there is a hand pump. But the water that they get from it is salty. So, they need to buy water for drinking. Some people put a pump directly in the gel-board pipeline. Then they get water. Now they don't have any problem. On the next picture, some people put a motor to pump up water from the bore well. Think if there is no electricity, they have no water. On the last picture, they get water from the canal itself. They go to the nearest canal to fill water in the pots. Then they will use the water for their own purpose. Children, everyone has the right to live. Is everybody getting enough water to live or even water to drink? Why is it that some people have to buy drinking water? Water on this earth is for one and all. Some people draw out water from the ground by deep bore wells. How far is it correct? Why do some people put a pump directly in the gel-board pipeline? Children, see a bill. It's a gel-board bill. Some people have to buy drinking water, not only for drinking, but also for all their purpose. They are buying water. So my dear children, you need to understand how much water is important for us. There are some stories related to it. This is Darky Mai. She lives in a village in the Alwar district of Rajasthan. The women of the village used to spend the entire day looking after their home and animals. Sometimes it took them all night to pull water from the well for the animals. In the summer, when the wells dry up, they had to leave the village. Darky Mai heard about this group and asked for help. Together, the people from the group and the village decided to make a lake. The problem of food and water for animals is now less. People get more milk, they have started earning more. So my dear children, you need to understand how much water is important for us. We have to preserve it. If you do not preserve it, it will be trouble for us. If it is no trouble for us, then it will be trouble for the next generation. So you don't waste water, you just preserve it.